Handwriting actually could be called brain writing. When you first began to form letters, you had to think about how to make each one of them. They were somehow shaky, you were not able to get it right, so many other things. It was not unlike learning to drive a car. Remember when you first learned to drive a car? You shift the gears. You also had to think about pushing the clutch in, what gear to engage, how far out and how quickly to release the clutch. When you first started learning how to write, it was the same. But after a short time, eventually, when you started practicing more and more, your subconscious mind began to take over the duties of forming the letters. And as you progress further, your subconscious mind began to learn words. Then you had only to think of the meaning, and your subconscious mind sent minute electrical pulses to your hand, telling you exactly how far to go and how to make each letter within the word, isn't it? Thus, you began to write without conscious thought of the writing formation. In other words, your brain or subconscious mind actually formed the characters as a result of habit. The pressure of your pen and the formation of each part of each letter show your subconscious thinking. Isn't it amazing? And that is what handwriting can do for you. But yes, handwriting comes with its limitations. Handwriting does not reveal the age nor the gender of a writer. Probably the most amazing thing of all is that we cannot tell whether the pen or pencil was held in the hand, between the toes, or in the mouth. Since writing is a brain writing, the individual character traits will still come forth no matter how the pen is held. Hand is just an instrument for you to write, whereas the true writing formation is happening in your brain. People do change, and so does their handwriting. You will discover that the handwriting of a very changeable person will have various slangs, thickness, and weight of strokes, and quite often also has an inconsistency in relation to the baseline. Can I tell you something honestly? Handwriting actually fluctuates with your mood, but definitely handwriting is not fortune telling.